Hey everyone, it's Kimberly Shipley. Hope everyone's having a great afternoon, night, morning, wherever you're at, whatever it is for you. It's actually midnight for me. So, late Saturday night, early Sunday morning is what it is for me right now. I do want to share, before I start my video, of something my son made at school. It's a pumpkin. So I'm putting this on the front refrigerator because, well, we all know it's that time of year. So isn't that really good? He done such good drawing and coloring. So as a proud mama moment, I wanted to share that. So I wanted to start I had made some long content of videos of motivational cleaning videos. So I wanted to kind of make some shorter ones now also. So right now it's going to be, I'm just folding towels. Nothing major, nothing extra special. But I want to do a little motivational. Maybe it might motivate you to fold your towels. So anyway, join me in folding my towels. So we'll start with Pokemon towel. Yeah, I've been making some long content of motivational videos, and I thought, well, why not make some shorter content? It's still getting the point across. And I wanted to see how people enjoyed that. And to see if you enjoyed even shorter content. Motivational, cleaning, home top videos while I talk. So today was a productive day. Today was the day I went to other side of Nashville. Dropped Caleb off. He's spending the night with his grandma. I'm not hardly tired, so I'm just kind of staying up late, doing a few things that needed to get done. And so I have spent all day running, going to Brentwood's on the other side of Nashville, if you're not familiar with it. And so that's where my mother-in-law lives. And as I was saying, I dropped my son off, Caleb. He wanted to go spend the night, so tomorrow I've got to go pick him back and pick him up. One way is about an hour and a half from where I live at. And, well, got lint on the towel. Let me get that off there. So I spent about 3 hours driving today. And I stayed, and sorry if the camera got a little shaky. My tripod's on my kitchen table, so anyway. Then I stayed and visited a little bit with my mother-in-law. We talked and things. So yeah, today's been a long day. So I didn't get a whole lot done today. But as soon as I got back, I also done some door dashing. Not a lot, a couple hours worth. And so today has been a very long day for me. So I hadn't had time to really get much. I wanted to do a motivational video like this right here. And again, of course, I didn't have a lot of towels, so I had one load of the washer, just needed to fold up. So again, this ain't going to be a real long video. And one reason, again, why I wanted to get you something out there that was motivational. Of course, tomorrow being Sunday, when I release this video, I've got another hour and a half to go back to get Caleb and us to come again, driving back an hour and a half. And that's if we don't make no stops or do nothing else. I kind of want to go over to Franklin, Tennessee. You get to Brentwood, you leave Nashville, get to Brentwood, and then you'll go over to Franklin, Tennessee. It's Franklin, Tennessee is such a beautiful downtown. I would love to drive through it, and if I get a chance to, I will. I'd like to just a driving video sharing it with y'all. Franklin's actually had some movies made about it, showing the downtown and stuff. I forgot which ones. You'd have to look those up, but there's been movies made even about the historic downtown. The downtown is just beautiful. So I would love to do a driving video and show y'all guys what the downtown looked like, and do a video about that as well. If I get a chance to tomorrow, I might do that. If not, maybe another time. So if I get a chance, maybe watch out for that video coming soon. I try to make my videos real and raw. This one's going to be one of those real and raw videos. I'm not going to do no editing to. But again, just where I've had such a busy day, I just didn't get to do much, but I wanted to get y'all something out there, something that was a little different but motivational. I know it's a little shorter than, again, normal. It don't mean I'm not going to make longer content. So if you're new to my channel, definitely still consider subscribing. I normally do longer content motivational, but I may issue a few little smaller videos just to kind of not keep people in such time consuming on videos of watching them. But then there'll be longer content also here and there. So it has been, I'll tell you, it's been really warm in Kentucky. We've had a couple of cold days. We even had snow. Check out the video. I already put it on there. We had our first snow day, and it was really wild, very early for us. So I was able to catch it on camera just right after it started coming down and getting on the roads and everything. I'm like, this is crazy. But so yeah, if you're new, definitely, I do release longer content of motivational videos, but I'd also like to release some short ones just to try those out to see if kind of they get a little attention, I guess you could say, out there. Of course, the more views I get, the more money I generate and things like that. And that's great for me and Caleb. You know, I would like this to be a very good supplemental income for us as a family, since it's just me and my son now, and, you know, that would help us. So I just want to try a little bit of shorter content and make them, you know, with their motivational videos of doing something motivational in them. So I want to put a few of those out there. So I wanted to explain that in this video, that it will be motivational like folded towels, but, or something motivational of home life. So if you're new to my channel still, please consider subscribing. If you like longer content, motivational videos that will be in my videos, consider liking this video, and hey, leave a comment, say something to me, something, even say the word something. But I hope you have enjoyed this little video, and I hope you got some kind of motivation out of it, and thank you for joining me. God bless each and every one of y'all, and y'all have a great day, night, whatever you're at right now, or when you're watching this. And thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. And again, sorry if it's shaking a little. I've noticed anytime I move like this, I can see it shaking. So I apologize about that. We live and learn, but I'm still going to release this raw video of motivational. Bye-bye, everyone.